During this lesson, you learn how to use SOLIDWORKS to model an L-shaped bracket, which is a part that you can use to mount to the frame of the robot. First, start a new part and make sure you are working in ANSI and in millimeters. Right-click on the right plane and select the first icon to start a new sketch. Then select the Line tool from the Sketch tab and start drawing. Click on the origin, click to the right, then vertically upwards. Right-click Select. To create the inner edges, use Offset Entities and enter 3.17 mm for thickness. Click on one of the lines and check the reverse box if needed. To complete the sketch, use the Line tool to connect the open ends as follows. Notice that the sketch is underdefined. Select Smart Dimension to specify the width. Click on the bottom line and then click a position below it. Enter 25.4 mm and hit Enter, or click the green check mark. The top line is still blue and it's moving, so we need to add more information. Select Smart Dimension again, click the right line, and click somewhere next to it. Enter 50.8 mm and press Enter. The sketch is fully defined, and now you can use the Extrude function to convert it into a 3D part. Go to the Features tab and click Extrude Boss Base. In Direction 1, use the drop-down menu to select Midplane and type 50.8 mm for length, then click OK. Use Fillet from the Features tab to create rounded edges. Set the radius to 6.35 mm. Select the edge, then click OK to accept the feature. Before we move on to the next feature, let's review some useful commands. To zoom in and out, use the scroll wheel or Z and Shift Z. Zoom to area can be found in the heads-up toolbar. You can also press F to fit the model on the screen. Pressing the arrows will rotate your model in increments of 15 degrees. Hold the control button down and then press the arrows to pan your model. Holding the Shift key down and pressing the arrows will turn your model 90 degrees. And if you press Alt and an arrow, it will rotate your model clockwise and counterclockwise. If you go to View, Display, Tangent Edges, you can activate or deactivate the lines where a planar surface comes in contact with a curved one by means of tangency.